Evolving together, a journey of growth and unity. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard, evolving together. This expression is rich in meaning and can add depth to your conversations in English. So, let's unpack its significance and learn how it can be used in different contexts. Firstly, let's break down the word evolving. To evolve means to develop gradually, especially from a simple to a more complex form. It's often used in science to describe how plants and animals change over generations. But it's not just for science. We also use evolve to talk about ideas, technologies, and even personal growth. Now, let's focus on the word together. This word is all about unity and collaboration. When we do things together, it means we're not alone, we're part of a team or a relationship. It implies a shared experience or goal. When we combine these two words into the phrase, evolving together, it paints a picture of a journey. But it's not a solo trip, it's a shared voyage. This phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. In relationships. It can describe how people in a relationship grow and change together, adapting to life's challenges and joys as a team. 2. In professional teams. Here, it might refer to how colleagues or a company as a whole adapt to new technologies or market changes, learning and growing as a cohesive unit. 3. In communities. It can also depict how societies or communities progress, facing new challenges and changing times collectively. To help you understand better, let's see some examples. 1. In relationships. Through all the ups and downs, we are evolving together, learning from each experience. 2. In professional teams. Our team is evolving together, embracing new technologies to stay ahead in the industry. 3. In communities. As a community, we are evolving together, building a more inclusive and understanding society for everyone. Evolving together is more than just a phrase. It's a narrative of unity, growth, and shared journeys. Whether in personal relationships, work environments, or broader communities, it encapsulates the essence of moving forward hand in hand, embracing change, and growing collectively. I hope this video helps you understand and use this beautiful expression in your conversations. Keep evolving, and of course, keep learning. See you in the next video.